We're going off to another museum about trams. That's a great view. To every Australian, it's just like going out in the woods. When you hear that noise, that is what's making it. You just about see it there. Now I've got the camera on. We're going off to another museum about trams.
This is what you do when it's really, really warm. Not sure what to do today, so.
It's 32 degrees today again. Where are we? In Sutherland.
Sutherland. Walking down towards the tram place.
It's about a 20-minute walk from here. Yeah, tram stop. This particular one's from Brisbane. One of these very typical. I like these types of trams. Get your own compartment. At least you can't move around. And then you're stuck in there and you can't move, you can't get out once you're in.
So that's the prison one.
We're in this proper hangar kind of warehouse.
The ticket does include that we can actually go on one of the tram.
Cool. Oh, it smells like polish in here, eh?
Oh, they had a smoking bit. Like, it's really not going to make a difference if you're sitting further down, is it?
The polish is great.
It really smells like polish in here. I love these adverts. Surf it cookie.
Wow. Okay.
This is niche.
Yeah.
Wow. That means a guy that actually take out on the prison train.
Right. Okay. So
That's the story.
when they were building Long Bay Jail along Anzac Parade, as it became known later on,
Are they koala bears in here? Will we see a koala bear? Okay, 32 degrees and we're walking down a steep grade track apparently.
Oh, I'm all the way back up here, you know.
It's like a nut. Wow, that is definitely what you call bushland, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a great view.
Yeah, fantastic.
I think that was worth the journey, you know.
There's our little glimpse of some proper
Bushland.
bush.
I'll take a picture of that.
I'm
That was pretty cool.
happier looking at than going into.
Well, we were getting down there. Where's the national? There it is. It's down there, isn't it?
Over there, probably, yeah.
Yeah, that's quite far.
Don't really want to do that.
Very hot.
Huh?
Very warm. That tree's quite mental. Look at that eye in the middle of it.
The way they grow is just kind of crazy.
We haven't got a huge amount of time because we've only got to get our tram back down to town. But if you come this way, here's a sign. Temptation Creek. It's quite tempting, isn't it? This is probably a good point to turn back around, isn't it?
I guess so.
To every Australian, this is just like going out in the woods. To us, this is a different kettle of fish to what we got at home, isn't it?
They're probably just being like, why are you out there? They wouldn't go out there in the sea in the middle of the day.
Yeah. What would you be doing in Australia right now? Would you be here as an Australian? 1 o'clock. Sun is glaring at us. It's 32 degrees. Would you be out in the bush right now? How are you feeling? A bit warm?
Tired and warm.
Oh, look at the sweat. You're sweaty.
Yeah.
Oh, we've got a different tram to come back on. Oh.